Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Nvidia control panel when custom resolution are not working on your laptop. Let's get your screen looking just right in simple step. Right click on your desktop and select Nvidia control panel. If it doesn't open, make sure your Nvidia drives are installed and updated. In the Nvidia control panel, go to display, click create custom resolution, then enter your desired resolution and refresh rate. Make sure the value are supported by your monitor. If enable is grayed out, check that you are running the Nvidia GPU, not integrated graphic. After entering your custom resolution, click test. Your screen may flicker for a moment. If it works correctly, click yes to save it. If not, adjust values to match your display limit. If the custom resolution still won't apply, update your Nvidia drive by using G4 Experience or Nvidia website. Choose a clean installation. Outdated drives often block custom resolution. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.